Just close your eyes. Know the peace within.
Beloved me, you were telling that you need to totally relax to wake up. However, when I relax, thoughts and words are keep coming. And I try to anchor myself, remind myself the way how you were saying that I'm conscious being or being conscious of my consciousness and also be beyond words. However, I do not know what it is be beyond words. I'm trapped within words. I do not know what is being consciousness, or I would say conscious of my own consciousness.
You say thought happens, they just happen. Where they happen, can they happen if you are not conscious? I am introducing the conscious state within. Just now, with eyes closed, you know the unmoving conscious state, the stillness, where there is no movement. In this stillness, you are free from thoughts already. Some thoughts flow, happen, appear and disappear. Why do you bother about the thoughts which are not you? You are already prior to thoughts. You are yet to know your conscious state. You are yet to settle in your conscious state. So you are frequently trapped by the thoughts which happen, move and disappear. You are yet to know that you are already prior to consciousness. That's why you are affected by a thought which is not you. First know the conscious state within, then only can you remain free from the thoughts or emotions, whatever it is. Why do you identify the thoughts to be yourself when they are not you? Because you are yet to be conscious of yourself. I keep on telling to be conscious of yourself, to stay beyond words and know the stillness. Why I say this? Because you are already conscious. You cannot become conscious. You are already conscious just now. Otherwise, how can you ask? How can you receive this answer? You are ever conscious inwardly. By not settling inwardly, you are unable to know your conscious state. The only possibility to know your conscious state is to settle inwardly where you are already conscious. You know only what is appearing, moving and disappearing in space. You are yet to know that which neither appears nor disappears, which is beyond space. You say you find difficult to be beyond words. Of course, initially you will find very difficult because still you consider everything to be real. Still you consider that words have to be used frequently. And still you consider that every happening to be real only. When your intention is only to wake up and know what you are, automatically you will settle inwardly. And your intention is only to realize what you are, automatically you will settle inwardly. When your intention is only to wake up totally, automatically you will settle inwardly. By not settling inwardly, how can you wake up and know what you are? I take you beyond words and help you to be conscious. Just now, here what else I am doing? You are frequently trapped by words and identifications. That's why I help you to close your eyes and be with yourself. Just now you are free from the duality show. Just now you are free from words. And this state you are yet to know what it is. To you this state is something new. That's why you are unable to settle in this original state. It appears something new to you, so you are here only for a shorter duration, and immediately you jump into the duality show and use more words. I say your consciousness is conscious of itself. That means your consciousness is beyond words, beyond movements, and it is already in the non-dual source. And it is beginningless and endless, but it never knows. Why? Because your consciousness still identifies itself to be a person, to be the form. So it is unable to wake up from the personality dream. Your consciousness is unmoving, stillness is unmoving. Only when your consciousness knows the stillness, it is conscious of itself. At least now know, only in stillness beyond words, your consciousness is conscious of itself. Only in stillness, your consciousness is conscious of itself. Through words, your consciousness is identifying itself to be a person, to be the form, to be the personality. You are more with the personality, so you are unable to stay beyond words and get to know the stillness beyond words. Initially, you will find difficult only to settle inwardly and to stay beyond words and to know the conscious state. Because you are conditioned to be a person and you are conditioned to possess more knowledge through more words. So you find difficult to stay beyond words, and you are already made a person, unable to be conscious of yourself. That's why you say you are yet to know how to stay beyond words. You are yet to know how the conscious is conscious of itself. I tell you, just now your consciousness is conscious of itself. Just now your consciousness is beyond words. I make you practically know where your consciousness is. I tell you, your consciousness is beyond space. Beyond space means no movement. Only in space, every movement appears, moves and disappears. Now I take you beyond movements and help you to know the unmoving stillness. Do not underestimate this stillness. It contains the seed of entire manifestation within. Do not underestimate this stillness. Every movement begins only in this stillness. Never underestimate this stillness. Every object appears only out of this stillness just now. Since you are used only to the duality, it takes time for you to settle inwardly to stay beyond words and to know the conscious state constantly inwardly, and I help you for the same. Once your intention is to wake up totally, once your listening is total, you will not miss to stay beyond words, to know the conscious state by being conscious of yourself inwardly, and wake up totally to realize that you are already that and always that.